Hello viewers, today we are talk about Claude Monet, a pivotal figure in the world of art, is relevant as one of the foremost founder of the Impressionist movement, born on 14 November 1840 in Paris, France. Monet spent his early years in Le Havre, Normandy, where his father owned grocery business. Despite his family encouragement to join the family business, Monet's passion for art was undeniable. He began his artistic journey by drawing creators, which gained him some local fame. Monet's formal education in art began in 1851 at the Secondary School of the Arts in Le Havre. Here he met Eugene Bourdin, a local landscape artist, who became his mentor and introduced him to the and plein air painting techniques. This experience profoundly influenced Monet's approach to art, steering him towards capturing natural light and landscapes directly from nature. In 1859, Monet moved to Paris to pursue his artistic ambitions. He enrolled at the Accademia Suisses, where he met Clement Pissarro, another key figure in the Impressionist movement. During this period, Monet was influenced by the works of the Barbizon school and the realist painter Gustave Courbet, but he increasingly sought to break away from traditional artistic conventions. Monet's distinctive style began to emigrate in the 1860s. His work was first accepted into the prestigious Salon de Paris in 1865, where he exhibited The Woman in the Green Dress, a portrait of his future wife, Klein Doneux. However, Monet's avant-garde approach was often met with criticism and rejection by the con- conservative art establishment. The late 1860s and early 1870s were challenging for Monet. Financial difficulties plagued him, and his relationship with Klein was strained by poverty. Despite this hardship, he produced some of his most innovative works during his period, including Impression Sunrise 1872, a painting that would later lend its name to the entire Impressionist movement. The piece depicted a high sunlight harbor scenes in Le Havre and was characterized by loose brushwork and an emphasis on light and atmosphere over detail. In 1874, Monet, alongside artists like Edgar Degas, Pierre Auguste Renoir, and Alfred Sisley, organized the first independent Impressionist exhibition. The creation of critic and the public was mixed, but the exhibition marked a turning point in the acceptance of their revolutionary approach to art. Monet's personal life was marked by both tragedy and turmoil. His wife, Camille, died in 1879, leaving him devastated despite his grief. Monet continued to paint, and his work began to attract more attention and financial success. In 1883, he settled in Gavarnie, a village in Normandy, where he created his famous garden. This garden became a primary subject of the later works, particularly the series of water lilies, which are among his most celebrated pieces. The 1890s and early 90s saw Monet's reputation solidify. He painted a series of work capturing the changing light and sessions, including the Haystack and Rouen Cathedral series. This painting demonstrated his fascination with light and his innovative approach to capturing its transient effects. He passed away on 5th December 1926, leaving behind a legacy that would influence countless artists and movements. Thank you, viewers.